As a data analyst, you might actually be stunting your career growth by focusing too much on dashboards like Power BI and Tableau. Tableau and Power BI are two really good visualization tools that exist on the market, but unfortunately, a lot of data analysts spend most of their time working with those tools instead of some other primary tools in the workplace. When it comes to those tools, there's a few good reasons why you would want to use them, but there's also a lot of reasons why you don't want to use them. Unfortunately, few analysts are able to articulate the reasons of why you want to use those tools and when you don't want to use those tools. And so what ends up happening in the workplace is they end up over-indexing on using those tools instead of the best tool for the job. Now, the results of this are some really bad architectures for your organization that create a lot of inefficiency or increased costs. Also, when analysts are spending too much time working with those tools, it means that they're not working and learning enough about SQL and some of the other tools of the trade, and that can cause them to not grow in their career or to fail the interviews. So, to be a high-value data analyst, you have to understand what are the tools in your toolbox, where are they good, and then where are they not so good at performing tasks. From there, you have to be able to articulate the shortcomings of each of the tools of the trade. Then you have to pick the right tool for the job at that specific time. This also means that if you're new to the field and new to these tools, you have to be a little bit cautious about what other people are telling you. This is because the software vendors are trying to sell software and they want you to use the software as much as possible. So the way that they go about getting you to use the tool a little bit more frequently is to tell you that that tool can do everything that you need to do. Unfortunately, that's not really the case. Tableau and Power BI are not able to do everything that you need to, and nor should you try to do everything that you need to inside of those tools. The bottom line here is when you truly understand the capabilities and the deficiencies of the tools in your toolbox, you'll be able to pick the right tool for the job, making you more efficient and saving your company money along the way.